This video is showing you how to make our Kyanite Harmony bracelet kit. First thing we're going to start with is cutting 2 inches of our chain, which we're going to set to the side, and that's going to be used at the back of our bracelet. The rest of your kit's going to contain your remaining chain, your jump rings, your 3-inch head pins, your magnetic clasp, 3 8mm Kyanite rounds, sterling silver bead caps, sterling silver rounds. Let's get started. So the first thing we use is our head pin, and we're going to start where we have the head. We're going to bend back towards us, away from us. We're going to straighten our tool. We're going to come up here just like this. We're going to cut off the head. That's the first end. I always take my bent nose or my flat nose. So we've created our own eye pin. So now we're going to load our beads in place. We're going to start with our 2mm round, followed by our bead cap, $8mm Kyanite, 2mm round, our rondelle, 2mm round, and we repeat this until we've used all our beads and come to the end. Now we have all of our beads loaded, and what we're going to do, we want to make sure we wrap in the same direction. So I'm going this way, so I'm going to pull as tight as I can, make these beads as tight as I can, make sure I'm going in the same direction for my wrap. Back towards me, away from me, straighten my tool, come up underneath. This is where I use my bent nose or my flat nose, grab the end and wrap nice and tight. I only have to go around one time because it is now closed, so that I'm not going to lose any of my beads. I'm going to make sure I nip off my excess wire right here. And again, I'm just going to flatten this. They're both facing in the same direction. That is the front of our bracelet. I've opened all of my jump rings, and now I'm going to attach my chain. You just go through your chain and add each side. Okay. Make sure that you've closed them nice and tight. Now we just hold it up. Then give it a little bend. That's the front of our bracelet. Everything facing the same way. You can either count down. For me, I'm just going to cut in the center. Make sure that I'm even on both sides and that both of them are facing the same direction. You're going to want to put it on your wrist. You're going to want to measure. And cut back equal amounts on each side. On this one, it's a perfect fit for me, so I don't need to remove anything. So now I'm going to use my remaining jump rings and my safety chain and my magnet clasp. Now we're ready to attach our clasp. So we're going to take our jump ring, we're going to add our safety chain to it first. Then we're going to add our magnetic. Then we're going to add one side of our bracelet. And we're going to just close our jump ring, making sure that we close it nice and tight. And I always check. Then I'm going to lay it down. And with my other jump ring, again, just so that it closes properly, I'm going to take my safety chain. Give me a minute here, it's not cooperating. There we go. My clasp. Now I have my clasp, and now the other end of my bracelet. I'm hoping you can see this okay. And then we close. So, we've completed our bracelet.